Welcome back to Leatherhead Garage, guys. If you guys haven't been here before, normally I'm doing automotive and equipment revival, but today we got something a little bit different. I've got them sitting right here in these boxes, so I've got new lights for the shop, finally. And well, at the current moment, the only lighting that I have in my shop are these 4 lights right here. Now, what I'm going to be replacing them with are these 8-foot long LED lights. Now, if I remember right, I believe these were 5K in color. So you've got 3 rows of these LEDs that are kind of in a half circle. Now, it came in a pack of 6, but I think I'm only going to be putting up 4 of them. I think I'll probably put them exactly where they're at now. There's going to be twice as long. Now, I'm still in the process, obviously, of finishing my shop. I'm going to end up framing the rest of it in, doing more electrical, and then I'm going to be finishing the ceiling, blowing in insulation, insulating the walls, and doing sheeting and everything. So there's still a lot of work to do. So this is going to be kind of a semi-permanent solution, while these will probably be the lights that in the long term I will have up there. But eventually I'll probably be putting the rest of them up and moving them around and stuff like that and actually wiring them appropriately. Now, I also got an outside light because we wired in an outside light for the outside of my shop. It's down there on a little switch. And I ended up getting this guy. It's a motion sensor, which I think will be nice because currently the outside of my shop, there's just absolutely no light at all. And even worse when I close the door. Now, with young kids, I find myself working out here in the shop at night quite frequently. And I am constantly walking over here from the house, tripping over stuff like this roller right there. Also, if you're interested in these same lights that I got, I'll put a link down in the description where you can find them on Amazon. They're pretty reasonably priced. And we'll do a little before and after shot. Whoops. So one thing I did not plan very well is I've got a lot of stuff going on in my shop right now. So this one's getting an injection pump, that one's getting a clutch. It's gonna make things kind of difficult getting around, but hopefully getting some good light in here will make doing this kind of stuff a lot easier. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not an electrician, so please don't follow what I'm doing. So here's all the accessories and stuff that it comes with. This is everything you need to like hang them up. But what I really like about these lights is you can link them together. So each end has one of these little plugins on it, and it comes with a ton of these different lengths, you know, ones to plug into the wall, ones to plug them in together. And if you look online, they have different lengths of these. So if you have a specific layout that you're trying to do, you can go buy some of these little cords that link them together that are 2 inches long, 4 inches. I mean, they're like 2-inch increments that you can do to space out your lights how you want to space them out. And you don't have to have a whole bunch of leftover cord wrapped up or something real messy. You can really make them look nice. All right, so let's start by pulling this one down. So these are those little clips that they clip onto, and you can slide the light back and forth inside of that clip. That looks kind of centered. Let's turn it on. Oh, much better. Holy cow. Well, I feel like that's already significantly lighter just after that one light. Well, I'm just gonna get putting the rest of them up and I'll see you when I'm done. Wow, what a difference. Got all the lights in now, check it out. Yeah. I mean, overall, I'm impressed. Cool, that was a much needed upgrade. Now let's go outside, we'll put that outside light in. And I still have 2 of those light bars left too, so if I want more light later, I could add a little more. So, should be simple enough. Unfortunately, it is pitch black out there, so I'm not gonna be able to do a whole bunch of filming, but I'll show you when it's done. All right, I got the outside one installed, check it out. Yes. I no longer have to trip over all of this stuff on my way out to the shop. Gives me a little bit of light out here if I'm working on stuff next to the shop. And it also kind of doubles as security light since it's motion sensor. If anybody walks by in the middle of the night or something, it'll scare them away, hopefully. But that is it for this video, guys. Thanks for sticking around. If you've stuck around this long, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. It'd really help me out. I'm super excited to start working on some tractors with some decent light now. And we'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe.